Have you ever pondered the mystery of a kiss? The silent whisper of two souls, a moment of truth painted in the hues of passion and love. Today, we delve into a poem that asks, was it he who kissed her on the cheek, or was it she who left a lipstick mark on his shirt? In the hushed silence of the night under the watchful stars, a tale unfolds. A man, bold and passionate, leans in, his eyes reflecting the moon's glow. His lips brush her soft cheek, leaving an invisible mark, a silent pledge of love. The air around them shivers, echoing with the quiet intensity of his gesture. Yet, another story unravels in the heart of the woman. A crimson trace on his shirt, a lipstick mark, an enduring imprint of her presence. She leaves behind a memento of their encounter, a silent claim, a whisper of her existence. Both stories weave a dance, a ballet of love and longing. A man professing his affection, a woman asserting her presence. Two narratives intertwined yet distinct, like two threads in a tapestry of love. This intriguing poem, with its twin tales, unravels the mystery of a kiss. It ponders the question of who leaves a mark on whom in a dance of love. The man with his tender kiss on her cheek, or the woman with her lipstick mark on his shirt. As we journey through the lines, the poem builds suspense, leaving us on the edge of our seats. It challenges us to question our perceptions, to look beyond the obvious. It paints a vivid picture of love, its subtleties, its nuances, its silent declarations. The theme of this poem is a delicate exploration of love and its expressions. It evokes a sense of wonder, a touch of intrigue, a dash of passion. It makes us think, it makes us feel, it touches our hearts. In the end, the poem leaves us with a thought-provoking question. Who truly leaves a mark in the dance of love? Is it the man with his kiss or the woman with her lipstick? Perhaps the answer lies not in the action, but in the emotion, in the love that binds two souls together. A kiss, a lipstick mark, two symbols of love, two stories of passion. This poem, in its beautiful simplicity, reminds us that love is not about who leaves a mark, but about the emotions that make us human.